Can see my whiteboard? Can everyone see my whiteboard? The hello? And then, oh yeah, Samantha just sent the worksheet for tonight, which is the polygon. Cannot see my screen, man. Why nobody's reply a yes?
Yes.
Wow, okay, thank you. Okay, before I start with the questions, okay, let me just talk about what are the important things you need to know about polygons. So polygons basically is, I'm talking about the usual school, as in they will teach polygons in Sec 1. Okay, those express one, definitely Sec 1 you will learn it. Normal at Cat 1, you will learn it maybe in Sec 2 sometimes, okay? So it depends on school. So polygon, what is polygon? Okay, so let me talk about, let's say, triangle. Actually, triangle is also a polygon. Quadrilateral is also polygon. It's as long as it's a closed figure. Close up. Okay, so this one, we know we call a triangle. We know this one is a quadrilateral. Okay, I forget how to spell, just like that. Okay, next is, after four-sided, this is three-sided, this is four-sided. So after four-sided, what is the name of the polygon? So you must know that when it's five-sided, it's called a pentagon. Okay, when it's 6, it's called a hexagon. And when it's 7, it's called a heptagon. Okay, and when it's 8, it's octagon. Octagon. Okay, you all need to write notes. You need to write notes. All this and give you the name is because they will not tell you how many sides. They will tell you, pentagon, you're expected to know that it is n equals to 5. When they say hexagon, that means you are expected to know that n is equals to 6 and blah, blah, blah. Okay, 9 will be nonagon. And 10 will be Hexagon. Of course, there are actually a lot of names, but in secondary school syllabus, you're expected to know all these names up to 10. Then sometimes you might see things like 11 gone, 12 gone. Okay, this means that this is very straightforward. You see 11 means you know the n is 11. And then the n is equals to 12. Okay, so this is polygon. Okay, then after that, next is, what is the formula that you need to remember? Okay, they always ask. So the inside here is called the interior angle. Interior angle. And when you extend the line, straight line, extend the straight line out, outside here, it's called the exterior angle. Okay, so sum of interior angle formula, sum of interior angles. Okay, all these are important things that you remember for polygon. Okay, later the part, then we will do some questions. Then we will apply these formulas into the questions. Okay, so in school, same thing. When your teachers teach you this kind of summary and stuff like that, you always must take down one. Don't just listen. Then after that, how much memory can we have? Correct? You cannot remember everything. So always write it down. So sum of interior angles, what's the formula? It will be n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. For information, n is the number of sides. Okay, number of sides is also number of angles. Like for example, let's go to triangle. Triangle, we have 3 sides. So the n is 3. Okay, triangle inside have 3 angles. Right? So n is referring to the number of sides and it's also referring to the number of angles. Next is sum of exterior angle. That's why you see triangle is, okay, later I'll show you the triangle first. I finish this one. Sum of exterior angle, no formula, just a magic number, which is 360 degrees. Okay, 360 degrees. So let's take a look at triangle. If my triangle, I apply this formula. Beyond this one here, I cannot. Okay. Give me a moment. So if it's a triangle, triangle is 3 sides. So I'm going to apply this formula. It will be 3 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. So you see 1 times 180 degrees will give you 180 degrees, correct? That is why sum of interior angle inside the triangle is 180 degrees. So everyone know about that, ma? Quadrilateral is four-sided. So it's 4 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, and you can see that it is 360 degree. By now, I mean, in primary school, you all learn triangle and quadrilateral. You all know that the inside angles is 180 and 360 degree. It's just that in secondary school, you learn above more. I mean, more like Pentagon, Hexagon, which have 5 sides, 6 sides. But the formula is still n minus 2 multiplied by 180. Okay, next is, of course, these two words called regular and irregular. Okay, so what does it mean by regular and irregular? If I tell you that this, maybe I say regular pentagon. Okay, so first we know that pentagon is 5-sided. Okay, so if it's 5-sided, then let's see. So now let's take a look. Let's say pentagon is let's say like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, drawing sucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-sided. So of course you assume that it's regular. Only my drawing doesn't look like regular. So regular means it's equal sides. Okay, and then it means that all the angles are equal. Okay, like x, 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 they are equal. This is called a regular. It means all 5 sides are equal and all 5 angles are equal. So when it's a regular, it's very easy to find out what is one interior angle. First, you find out what is the sum of interior angle. So just now we say 5-sided, we apply the formula. So it will be 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So we know it's 3 times 180, we know it's 540 degree. And because all these x-axes are the same, right? So how many x are there? There are 5x. So we will say, oh, so 5x is equals to 540. So x is equals to 540 divided by 5. So 540 divided by 5, you get 108. So we know that one interior angle of a pentagon is 108. Okay. Then, how to know the exterior angle of a regular pentagon? Another formula that you need to remember is, remember just now we say interior angle and exterior angle is on a straight line. So on a straight line, they are 180 degree. So other than these two formula, you need to know that one interior angle plus one exterior angle will give you 180 degree. Okay, so in this, just now the regular pentagon, you already find one interior angle, which is 108. So to find the exterior angle, because it's a regular, so it's very straightforward. How? You just take 180 degree minus 108, you will know the exterior angle. So 180 minus 108, you know 72 degree. So this is interior angle and this is exterior angle. And there is one very important thing that you all need to know. Sometimes is if I already know what is the exterior angle of a pentagon, let's say a polygon. Let's say it's 72 degree, right? And it's a regular one. So actually, in order to find out the number of sides, so remember just now our sum of exterior angle is 360. So actually the number of sides is actually take 360 degree divided by one exterior angle, which is 72. So of course you will get 5 because this one is meant for pentagon. Okay, so a lot of students always don't know about this shortcut. That means for a regular polygon, when you have the exterior angle, you simply take 360 degree divide by one exterior angle, you will know the number of sides. So later after that, when we are doing the questions, right, you will see that I often use this to find the number of sides. So basically these are the things that you need to remember. So some of you, if you're able to copy down very fast, okay, good for you. If you cannot, you can just use your handphone, take a snapshot. So at least later the worksheet, okay, later the worksheet we will put in the Telegram as well. Then you can download from there if you didn't manage to save it here. You can do the worksheet. Okay, I will not do all the questions in the worksheet because there are many questions. Okay, and then you can refer to this so-called summary and do the work. So I just summarize. So what you need to do is, you need to know is these two formula, sum of interior angle and sum of exterior angle. And then you will have to know that one interior angle plus one exterior angle is 180. This one. Okay. And you need to know the word regular and irregular. Regular means all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. Irregular, of course, is the opposite, not equal. Okay. Then after that, this is the shortcut, whereby when you know the exterior angle, you can simply just take sum of exterior, which is 360, the magic number, divide by the exterior, and you will know how many sides they are. Okay? let's start with the question already. I got a Telegram channel. Okay, so the Telegram channel, all the announcement and free worksheet I put it there one. Okay, teacher Kangie nowadays, wow, I have to very in, you know, I started TikTok lah, Instagram lah, Telegram, very busy. I need to manage so many platforms and I still need to teach you all. Okay. Okay, so now let's start off with the first warm-up question. Oh, yeah. Sorry, my head is there. Okay. Okay, let's take a look. The first question here, 4 of the interior, okay, these two is 2 separate questions. 4 of the interior angles of a pentagon are each 105 degree. Calculate the 5th angle. First spot, pentagon. So you must know that this means is n equals to 5, right? So there are 5 angles. Next, they never mention anything about regular. So that means it is not regular polygon. Okay? Next, so it's interior, right? So we're going to use the sum of interior angles. So we'll take 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So I have 540 degree. Now they tell me 4 of them are 105. This is unknown, right? So I shall let this be x. Agree? So I will say, oh, 4 times 105 plus the 5th angle, I shall let it be x. You form equation and say this is equals to 540. Okay, so I need calculator. Okay, so 105 times 4, you get 420. Okay, so plus x equals to 540. Okay, so my x will be equals to 540 minus 420, and you get 120. So it means the 5th angle is 120. Okay, in the worksheet that you see, the answer is at the corner. So after you do every part of the question, you can always check. Okay, so it's 120. Okay, now we do part B. The ratio of the interior angle of a pentagon is blah, 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 blah. So find the largest interior angle. So same thing, because it's a pentagon. Okay, I'm not going to repeat the steps. I'm going to use this one. Since it's also pentagon, right? So I know the sum of interior angle is 540. Then all of these will be the total angle. So I'm going to take 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5. So it will be 18. 18 unit will be equals to 540 degree. So 1 unit will be equals to 540 divided by 18. So I get 30. So I know 1 unit is 30. Then next, they want the largest interior. Sometimes they trick you. Maybe they give you this ratio is in interior. Then they say find the largest exterior angle. Then you don't go and find this one. Okay. When you have the largest exterior angle, means you need to go and find the smallest interior angle, right? Because it's opposite. For this case, they never trick you. Okay, so it's ratio of interior angle. So I'm going to find the largest, which is 5 unit, of course. So just go 5 unit, which is 30 times 5, which is 150 degree. And you got it. Ta-da! Okay, so let's move on to the next question. If I find a question too easy, I will just skip and move on because I have 12 pages of questions, which I doubt I can do so many questions. Okay, this one. The figure shows the front of a house in the shape of a pentagon. 2 of its interior angles are right angles, and the remaining interior angles are each of the same size. So every time you see, interior angle, same size. So what you need to do is, you go and label this, I let it be X. I let this be X. I also let this be X. Okay? And because we're talking about interior angle, we use the formula again. I think by now we already know what's the number, 540, right? So it's 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees, so it's 540 degree. So what you need to do is, all 5 angles add up together, give me 540. So you will say this is 90, because it's right angle. So you will say, so we have 3x, so you will say 3x plus 90 is equals to 540. So that means 3x plus 180 is 540. So 3x equal 540. This one bring over, become minus 180. So 3x equals to 540 minus 180. You will give me 360. Okay, so x will be 360 divided by 3, so it will be 120 degrees. So they say calculate the size of one of these interior angles. So in this case, it's 120. So this is my answer. Okay. Okay. This one. The diagram shows two of the exterior angle of an n-sided regular polygon. Okay, calculate the value of n. Well, so just now, that one is 120 is above one. Okay, so let's take a look. This is the one that I just now I tell you, the shortcut way to find out the n. First, spot. This is a regular polygon. So when it's a regular polygon, it's easy to find the n. How is you see whether you know what's the exterior angle or not. In this question, they already tell you two of the exterior angle, right? Which is 15 degrees. So remember just now the shortcut formula? My n is you take the sum of exterior angle, which is 360 degrees, divide by the exterior angle, which is 15. Okay, I play cheat, no need press calculator. So n is equals to 24. Okay, done. Okay, a lot of students they long step, they're going to take 180 minus 15. Then after they go and find interior angle. Then after they go and find the sum of interior angle, then equal to the number, and then after solve the n. Okay, you can save a lot of time by just doing this. You understand what I mean? Okay, because a lot of students always remember the sum of interior, but don't remember that, I can actually just use exterior angle and divide. Okay. Okay, this one, look. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll skip this. Skip. Okay, this one. Skip 3, I'll go to 4. Okay, a 5-sided polygon in the diagram has an interior angle of blah, 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 blah. Okay, what is the name of this polygon? Okay, how many sides? 5-sided, same thing. By now, you should know 5-sided is pentagon, because I keep repeating pentagon. So you need to spell pentagon, spell wrongly also don't have the mark. Okay, so find the value of x. Okay, okay, very easy. Why? Because we already know that pentagon sum is 540, right? So what you need to do is just x plus 82 plus 134 plus 103 plus 95. Total add together should give you 540 degrees. Of course, I'm not going to solve it, and you'll get x equals to 126. Okay, easy. Let me just jump to the tough question. Okay, this one. Okay, question 5. The size of the interior angle of a regular polygon is 2 times the size of the exterior angle. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, first is, one is talking about interior angle, one is talking about exterior angle. So you say 2 times, right? So in this case, I will say I will let the exterior angle be x. So the interior angle is 2 times, means it's 2x. Agree? And remember, when we on interior plus exterior angle is on a straight line, so it's 180 degrees. So what you do is you just take 2x plus x, which is 1 interior plus 1 exterior is equals to 180 degrees. So you get 3x is equals to 180 degrees. So my x is equals to 60 degrees. Oh yeah, I haven't finished. I was thinking, why 6? Okay, so this one is the x is equals to 60 degrees. But then remember they want to find the number of sides. Then it's irregular, right? What's the shortcut? You have to take 360 divided by 1 exterior angle, right? And we know that 1 exterior angle is x, which is 60. So my n, simply just take 360 degrees divided by 60, you get 6. So the number of sides for this polygon that I'm talking about is 6. Then write down the name of this polygon. So just now I mentioned already, number of sides is 6 is hexagon. Okay, you need to spell it correctly. Wow, this one. Okay, each interior angle of a regular 10-sided. Always see whether you can see the word regular. Regular and 10-sided polygons is 84 degrees more than each exterior angle of an n-sided polygon. So this is actually two separate polygons. One is a 10-sided polygon, the other one is an n-sided, which I don't know how many is the n. So you're supposed to find out what is the n. So how do you do this question? So you see where you can work from first. They talk about this one. This one got more information, right? N equals to 10 ma. So I'm going to find the interior angle of a 10-sided. So it will be 10 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. So it will be 8 times 180. So 8 times 180 will give me 1440. Then I want to find 1 because they say each, right? So I'm going to take 1440 divide by 10 because its number of sides and number of angles is 10. So it will be 144 degrees. So this is the one interior angle of first polygon. Because there are two polygons here, don't get confused. Then they talk about this is 84 degrees more than the exterior angle of an n-sided regular polygon. So since this one is more, right? To find the exterior angle of the other polygon, I simply just take 144 degrees minus 84. Okay, I get 60 degrees. So now this 60 degrees is referring to the exterior angle of the second polygon and it's a regular polygon. So this is the one exterior angle of second polygon. So by now you should know the shortcut formula, right? So to find the n, I simply take 360 degrees, the magic number, divide by 60, I get 6. So this, I settle my part A. Okay, now let's take a look at part B. How? Am I going too fast or not? Any question or not? I'm running out of time, that's why I like macam talking like the machine gun like that. Any question? Can continue or not? Are you all asleep? Jerry, this one.
Toilet.
That's not a good question. I wanted to say, Jerry, this one Sec 1 topic, you know. I teach now, that means that by the time you need to learn polygon, I'm going to skip this topic.
Oh.
So you better pay attention. Okay, go. Okay, I'm going to continue. Not going to wait for Jerry. Okay. I'm going to erase this. Am I going too fast? Can I continue? Please put in the chat group. Thank you. Yes or no? Continue? Yes? Continue? No? Pass. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, Samantha, you also learning, man? Sam is my PA. Okay, next time I ask you to do polygon question, you should know how to do lah. Okay, 6b. 3 of the interior angles of 8-sided polygons are each x. Given that each of the remaining interior angles is 150, find the value of x. Okay, so you know that you see they never mention regular, so this is definitely an irregular. So they mentioned 3 of the interior angle is x, and then they say that the remaining is 150. Okay, scam. So first is 8-sided. Let's find the sum of the interior angle of 8-sided first. So it's 8 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. So I get 6 times 180. So I get 1080 degrees. Okay. Then after that, what do? I put 3x because there are 3 of the angles is x. So that means 3x plus the remaining angles is 150. The question is, what is the number of remaining angles? It's an 8-sided. 8-sided have 8 angles. They give me 3 already. That means the remaining is 5. Agree? So that means I have a balance of 5 angles, which is 150 degrees. Okay? 3 angles, this is x each. Remaining angle, which is 5, you have to know that you have to take 8 minus 8 minus 3, so it's 5. Then 5 times 150, it will be equals to 1080. Okay, so 3x plus 150 times 5, you give me 750, 1080. So 3x is equals to 1080 minus 750. So I get 330. So 3x is equals to 330. So x is equals to 110 degree. Done. I settle this question. Okay. So this question, the tricky part is what? The tricky is, they mentioned remaining angles there. How many? Okay, because you must take 8 minus 3. Then you will know that the remaining is 5. Next question. Okay, this one. Okay, this question, you have to take note. A lot of students will ask me, okay, they say 3 of the exterior angle is 150. They say find the value of x. So a lot of students say, hey, I can actually, all of them are exterior angle, right? Technically speaking. Okay, so the question, the student asked me, can I just add all of them together, like 150 plus 150 plus 150? Okay, then I plus x. Okay, then I say it equals to 360 degrees. Then a lot of students say, but 150 times 3 is already 450. It's already exceed 360 degrees. Then how does it work? Okay, it's because this is a special polygon. What do I mean by special polygon? This special polygon means that the sum of exterior angle 360 degrees doesn't apply here. Okay, doesn't apply here. Because look at this interior angle here. This interior angle is already reflex. Reflex angle means it's more than 180 degrees. So if it's more than 180 degrees for any of the interior angle, you cannot apply the sum of exterior angle is 360. Okay, so this one take note. Then how? It's okay. We say can use the other one, which is the n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Okay, so this is a four-sided, it's quadrilateral. So 4 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees is 360 degrees. So how am I going to find? So I have to find the interior angle for each of them, right? This one 150, so this one inside is 30. This one 30. This one also 30. Then this one is what? This is angles in the point at a point which is 360. So do you agree that this angle is called 360 minus x? Right? Okay. So then what do I do? I'm going to say, so 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 360 minus x give me 360 degrees. This is the sum of interior angle. I'm using sum of interior angle. So 90 plus 360 minus x is equals to 360. So minus x equals to 360 minus 90 minus 360. So minus x equals to minus 90. So my x is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, x is 90. Okay, so take note of this one. Okay. Exterior angle of a heptagon. Finally, we see a different number, right? Different name. Heptagon is what? Heptagon. N equals to 7. Yes, Sam, not bad. I see you say 7. Oh, you learned something. Okay. Exterior angle of a heptagon is 120, and the remaining exterior angle are each x. Okay, so how are we going to do this one? Okay, first is easy. Again, because they give me 1 is 120. So the remaining angles is how many? It takes 7 minus 1. So we are talking about 6 angles here. So that means I just take 120 plus 6x, because 7 angles and the magic number for exterior angle is what? 360. So we have 6x equals to 360 minus 120. So it will be 240. So x is equals to 40 degrees. Done. Over here. Okay, yeah. Actually, sometimes students ask me, hey, the answer is x equals to 40. Then my answer need to put the degree or not. Okay, actually, that one is not so strict. But let me explain to you why sometimes they have degree, don't have degree. You look at this one. You put here x with a degree here. Do you see that? If they already put a degree there, it means that your x doesn't need a degree. What? Agree? Okay? If they say the remaining exterior angle are x, then they never put the degree there. Agree? Then you say you got a degree. Although this is a small thing, so far I indeed I got here a student tell me that the teacher actually deduct mark from him because he go and put the degree there. Okay, but to me this is a small issue. Just to let you know why some teacher penalized for putting the degree or no degree. Okay, next, the diagram shows a polygon. State the name of the polygon. So let's find out how many sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a happily known pentagon. Calculate the value of x. So for this case, since I'm given a lot of exterior angle, right? So let's check. Remember just now we have to check whether interior angle is it all obtuse or not. That means like less than 180 degrees. So all are within 180 degrees. So it means that, no, this is not. Yes, this is yes. Okay, so in this case, I can use the exterior angle. Okay, because I'm given more of exterior. So I will say 2x. So you will write, you have to form equation. 2x plus x plus 60 plus 3x plus x. This one is interior is 90. So of course the exterior is also 90. Plus 90 will give me 360 degrees. Okay, check. Just now was this is a pentagon, right? So make sure you have 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, add together 360. So let's find the x. 3 plus 3, 6, 6, 7x. So I have 7x plus 150 is equals to 360. So 7x is 360 minus 150. 7x is equals to 210. So x is equals to 30. Okay. Next, they ask to find the largest interior angle. Largest interior angle is equivalent to finding the smallest exterior angle. So in this diagram, what is the smallest interior angle? Okay, we got x, we got 2x, we got 3x, we got x plus 60. Okay, definitely is x is the smallest. Agree? So x smaller means this is the smallest exterior angle. So to find the largest interior angle, we just take 180 degree minus 30. So we get 150 degree. Answer. Okay. Yeah, this one. Okay, the difference between the interior angle and the exterior angle of an n-sided regular polygon is 156. Calculate the value of n. Okay, this one I have the form equation. Okay, this is the same polygon that we're talking about. So you have to form formula. Okay, interior angle, we know it is n minus 2 multiplied by 180. I'm going to put it in front. It's the same meaning. This is sum of interior angle. To find one interior angle, you will have to take this divided by the number of sides or number of angles. So this is the same meaning as one interior angle. It's just that you don't know what is the value yet. You put it in terms of an algebraic expression. Okay. Then the exterior angle of an n-sided, just now we know that to find the exterior angle, we simply just take 360 degree. Okay, no need to put the degree, divided by the number of angles. These represent the one exterior angle. So you see the difference between these two means minus okay, is equals to 156. So I form an equation. So your task is to solve this equation. Okay, so how do you solve this equation? First is this one is 156 over 1, single fraction already. So you need to simplify this into a single fraction. So you have to combine into the same single fraction, you have to change the same denominator. Just nice is already the same denominator, just combine it. So it will be 180 n minus 2 minus 360 over n equals to 156 over 1. So this will be 180 n rainbow minus 360 minus 360 over n equals to 156 over 1. So this will be 180n minus 720 equals to 156n. So I'm going to bring this over. So it will be 180n minus 156n equals to 720. So this one will be 24n equals to 720. And then for n will be 720 divided by 24. So my n is equals to 30. Done. Okay, this is a bit tricky. So you need to know how to form algebraic expression for interior, exterior, and the difference means you form equation, say they are minus, the minus them, and is equals to 156. So I already formed the equation. Next is, of course, to solve the equation. And solving equation, you always need to combine into a single fraction on both sides. Once you're done with single fraction on both sides, what I did was I cross multiplied, right? Then this one times this one, and then equals to 156 times n. Then this is already flat, what I call flat. Then you bring all the n to the left-hand side, the number to the right-hand side, which is like that. Then after that, you solve here. Okay? Yes. Okay, I'm going to erase this. The 9b also very important. 9b. Okay, this kind of question, I tell you, 9 students, 10 students, 9 students don't know how to do that. Okay, I wanted to say 10 students, 10 students don't know how to do that. But maybe we have a one smart one, we can do it. Okay, explain briefly why the exterior angle of a regular polygon cannot be 50. Okay, sometimes the explain, you can actually do working to show them that it cannot be done. So remember, when we want to find number of sides, we can just use sum of exterior angle divide by one exterior angle. So assuming my exterior angle is 50, I take n equals to 360 divided by 50. And when I get 360 divided by 50, I get 7.2. So now the question is number of sides. Can it be possible that you have 7.2 sides? No, not possible, right? So after you do this working, you will say, since n is not an integer, okay, you will say 50 degree cannot be the exterior angle of a regular polygon. That's all. Okay, so you explain with working, and you have proved that, oh, n is not an integer. Integer means whole number. Then 50 degree cannot be the exterior angle of a regular polygon. Okay. This question. Okay, the diagram shows an incomplete figure made up of a square, a regular hexagon, and n-sided regular polygon. Find the value of n. Well, this one student, the first thing they come to me and ask me, Cher, the question got problem or not? Why the diagram got no number? How to do? Correct or not? So this one actually usually 10 students, 10 students also don't know how to do it, but they just panic and say, Cher, got problem with the question or not? No, first is you need to, you can base on properties, okay, to fill up the information yourself. First, it's a square. So square means what? Square is all equal sides, and you know that they are all 90 degrees. Okay, why, Jerry, you want to tell me the answer?
No, I misclicked.
Okay. Then after that, next is, this is a regular hexagon. So when it's a regular hexagon, you'll be able to find the interior angle, right? So we take 6 minus 2, multiply by 180, divide by 6. You will get 120. So I know this side is 120 degrees. Okay? Then this side, I don't know, correct? But I can label this as x, and this one is a circle. It means that it's add up together is a 360 degree. So I can just say 120 plus 90 plus x give me 360. So this is 210 plus x equals to 360. So my x is equals to 360 minus 210. So my x is equals to 150. Okay? But, okay, don't stop, because you're not solving x, because your task is to find out what is the number of sides for this unknown polygon over here. This drawing is incomplete. So how are you going to find? Because this is 150, right? And remember, don't use the long method. because it's a regular, I can just find the exterior angle of this one. I just take 180 minus 150, I get 30 degrees. Once I have this one, happily take 360 degrees, divide by 30, and I get 12. That's why the answer is 12. Okay, so no need to panic when you see that, wow, diagram so empty, I got no number, then what to do, okay? Definitely got to do with the properties of the information that they give you. So you see step by step, I go and find now square, 90 degrees. Hexagon, I go and find the interior angle, which is 120. Then we know that the inside angles at the point is 360. Just minus them, you can find the interior angle of the third polygon. Okay, then the shortcut way is let's find the exterior angle of the third polygon. And with the exterior angle of the polygon, just take 360 divided by 30, you get 12. So this is for this question. Let me see. This one. Okay. Quick. Okay, I'm not going to do the part A, but I'm going to do the part B. This one. A polygon has n number of sides. 3 of its exterior angle is 36, 55, and 65. Then they said the remaining exterior angles are each 8.5 degrees. Find the value of n. This is tough. Why? Is because remember just now previously we have a question whereby it's an 8-sided polygon. And then when they say they give us 3 angles, then they say the remaining, I ask you to take 8 minus 3. We know that the remaining angles is 5, right? But the bad news is this one is n number of sides. That means I don't know how many angles are there, right? Then, so what is called the remaining exterior angle? Okay, so the 3 exterior angle is 36 plus 55 plus 65. Then the remaining angles, which I don't know how many, but we know that it is 3 less than n because we are given 3 ma. So I simply take n minus 3. Do you agree this is called the remaining angles, but it will be in terms of n? It's fine, okay? It's just an expression. So this is called the remaining number of angles. Okay, and minus 3 is because I'm given 3 angles. If I'm given 3 angles, the remaining is take the total number, which is the n, minus 3. That's called the remaining. Then multiply it by 8.5. I put it 8.5. It's the same meaning. 8.5 and 8.5 is the same. So this is in the exterior. So all these add together will give me 360. So you see, I form an equation. Solve n. How am I going to do that? Of course, this one can add together number. 36 plus 55 plus 65. This one is 156. This one you have to do rainbow. This one times this one, this one times this one. So it will be 8.5n minus 8.5 times 3. So it will give me 25.5 equals to 360. Then what we do? We will do 80. Yeah. We will do 8.5n equals to 360 minus 156 plus 25.5. So 8.5n equal 360 minus 156 minus, plus 25. And I get 229.5. So my n is equal to 229.5 divided by 8.5. So my n is equal to this one divided by 8.5. I get 27. And I'm done. My n is equal to 27. Ta-da! Okay. So this question, I just need to highlight. Why? Because I want to tell you that the remaining angles is n minus 3. Then the rest is the same. Okay. Let me see what other Chin question. Okay, this question 15. Okay, same thing. This is another diagram whereby, wait, the diagram got no numbers. Okay, they say it's a regular polygon which has an exterior angle of x. Okay, APC is a straight line and AC cuts at P. The size of each interior angle is 5 times the size of its exterior angle. Calculate the value of x. Is this question linked? Wait. Okay. So the size of each interior angle, we will say that I will say the exterior angle I will say is x. Then the interior angle is 5x. So when I add them together, 5x plus x is equals to 180 degrees because it's interior plus exterior. So we will say 6x is equals to 180 and then x is equals to 30. Then very straightforward. So my x is 30. Next is to find the DEB. DEB is which one? DEB. This one, DEB, this angle over here. So how are you going to find this angle over here? It's a regular. Okay. So this kind of question, the first thing I want you to do is mark the side because they are equal side, because it is a regular. Regular, other than equal angles, it also have equal sides. So what is the reason why I need to mark the side? So I can spot isosceles triangle. Okay, I will use isosceles triangle later. So now is, I know the exterior angle is 30. I take 180 minus 30, I have 150. So with this 150, where is 150? This is 150. This big one is 150. All the interior angle is 150. So, and you need to take note that there is a property over here. It's this CD line is parallel with BE. Okay? And based on parallel line, you'll be able to find this angle over here because this is exterior angle. This and this add up together to give me 180. Okay, because parallel line, just to put here. For parallel line, this angle and this angle, angle A plus angle B is 180 degrees. This is called, the property is called interior angle. Okay, this is properties of parallel line. So it means that I know, oh, so angle DEB is simply just take 180 minus 150. So it's 30. Okay, don't come and tell me that this answer and this answer is the same. It's just coincidentally. Okay, so 180 minus 150. Okay, so it's 30. Okay, just because this two is parallel line. So I'm settle this and this. Next, they ask to find CPE. So CPE, which is this angle over here. So how are you going to find this angle here? Okay, I know that this and this is parallel, but I need to find this angle over here. It is not 150. I still need to go and find this very small angle over here. So can you spot that there is an isosceles triangle, which is this one? Okay, we know that this is 150. So in order to find this small one, you will just take 180 degree minus 150 divide by 2. So it will be 15 degree. So this small angle over here is 15 degree. Okay, let me just expand. Okay, so this small angle over here is 15 degree. Then I just need to find, take 150 minus 15. It will give me this angle over here. So 150 minus 15, it will be 135. So that means I'm going to use, I lack of color to use already. This angle here is 135 degree. And just now we already agreed that this is parallel. So the question that asked me to find the CPE is this one. So I simply just take 180 degree minus 135. And I get 45 degree. Answer. Okay. So this question is because you need to spot parallel line, you need to spot isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle can only be spotted when you mark that the sides are equal. Okay, then parallel line, this is a so-called a special property. When you need to know that this one is a parallel line. Then you have this interior angle additional property. Okay, the last part, find the number of sides of the polygon. Actually, this one not tough. Why? Because this regular polygon, just now we did calculate the exterior angle, right, which is a 30. So again, I simply just take n equals to 360 divided by 30. So it's 12. Right? So this will be the last question for this one. So everyone, okay or not? All good? Ooh. Any question want to ask me? Like just now the question, did I go too fast, too slow?